Welcome to the Click-to-Talk demonstration. This project showcases a human-computer interaction system that enables users to control mouse movement and actions entirely through spoken commands. The goal is to create an accessible, hands-free interface that assists users with limited mobility or those who prefer a voice-driven experience. Click-to-Talk is a Python-based accessibility tool that translates speech into mouse actions. The user can move the cursor, click, scroll, and even query the cursor's position, all by voice. It aims to enhance inclusivity by bridging the gap between speech and direct manipulation. The system currently supports basic pointer actions. Users can issue commands such as move up 100, left click, or scroll down. The voice engine interprets the commands and executes precise actions in real time. The application architecture follows a modular design. The speech handler captures and transcribes voice input. The command parser then interprets the recognized text and sends structured instructions to the mouse controller, which performs a corresponding action through PyAutoGUI. The configuration module stores customizable defaults, and the main application orchestrates all components. Let's see Click-to-Talk in action. You'll hear sample commands such as move left 100 pixels, double-click, and show position. Each command triggers an immediate response on the screen, demonstrating real-time speech-to-action translation.
Show position. Scroll up. Scroll down. Move left. Right. Left 100 pixels. Up. Down. Right click. Double click. Exit. Exit.
In conclusion, Click-to-Talk demonstrates the potential of voice interfaces as practical accessibility tools. It embodies the essence of human-computer interaction, making technology responsive to human intent through natural communication.